Hi, today I'm reviewing Motorola E32s and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. Let's just first open the box. This is the place for our device, so what you can find here inside, this is the quick start guide, the safety guide with the warranty card, and the SIM eject tool. So let's check another accessories. So this is the USB Type-C cable, and also let's check. So here we can find the Motorola original charger. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.